Okay, we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing decimals. Okay, let's talk through this one right here. In order to add or subtract decimals, we got to have common denominators. So I'm going to write the multiples for the 4 timetables, the 2 timetables, and the 5 timetables. So 4, 8, 12, and 16. For the 2 timetables, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. For the 5 timetables, we have 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, I'm going to start looking for commonality right now. And I see some commonality right here with 4s, but I don't think 5 timetables ever will give 4s. And let's see, more commonality. We'll just kind of keep going until we get more commonality. It's not much right now. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And already I see commonality right here, so I'll stop with the 4 3 timetables. And I'll keep the 2 timetables going until 20. So we got 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And we have commonality now. It will be the 20. Okay. So let's look at the multiples here. For the 4 timetables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The multiple for 20 is 5. So we say times 5 here, times 5 there. For the 2 timetables, 20, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's times 10. Now for the 5 timetables, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's times 4, 20. So we're going to multiply 3 times 5, 4 times 5, 1 times 10, 2 times 10, 3 times 4, and 5 times 4. Here are the answers. 15, 20, 10, 20, 12, 20. So when I add my 15 and my 10, I'll get 25. I subtract 12 from that, I'll get 13. And this will all still be over 20. Okay. Now, multiplying and dividing fractions. We're going to turn all these mixed fractions into improper fractions by using multiplication and adding. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more makes 12. That's over 5. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 more makes 11, all over 6. Okay, let's put this together. I have 12 times 11, and I have 5 times 6. And I can see already, the 12 and the 6 could both be divided by 6. So the resulting answer that I'll get, I'll simplify it by dividing by 6. So 12 times 11 is the same thing as 11 times 11 plus 1 more 11. So it's 122 with another 11. It's 121, plus another 11. So that'll be 132. And 5 times 6, that's going to be 30. Okay. So I know I can divide these both by 6. Dividing the 30 by 6 is a lot easier. I know that's 5. And I can kind of get a clue that this is going to be 5 because this is 5 times 6 here. So we divide by 6, what remains is 5. Okay, in here. So if I divide this by 6, the 132, it's like dividing the 12 by 6, which what remains is 2, and the 11. So 22. So 132 divided by 6 gives us 22, again, because if I divide 12 by 6, that will give us 2. And what will remain is the 2 and the 11. Okay. Number 3. I'm going to turn these Mixed fractions have been problems. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12 over 5. Divided by 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 more is 11. That's over 6. Now we're going to do the keep, change, and flip. This will allow us to change the division into multiplication, and once we get to multiplication, then we use all multiplication rules. So keep 12 over 5, make this multiplication, and make this 6 over 11. Okay, and now we can multiply 12 times 6 and multiply 5 times 11. Okay, now looking here between the numerator and denominator, there's nothing that can be divided by the same number or the common number. So there won't be any simplifying when we're finished. So we're just going to multiply and walk away. So 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is 72. And 5 times 11 is 55. And I'm pretty confident that cannot be simplified. So we're going to kind of walk away.